Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we're talking about identifying parts that make 10, and we're working on addition. Now, boys and girls, I have a picture here of a domino. Now, if we want to make 10, figure out with me how many more we need to add to this side to make 10. So first, let's count or supersize this side. So how many is on this side? That is 8. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So if we have 8 on one side, how many more do we need to get to 10? Can you tell me the answer? Now, here's how we can do it. Let's go ahead and I'm going to get color black right here. 8, and let's add another one. And how many is that going to be? 9. So we're counting on 8, 9, and 10. All right, very good. So we needed 2 more to get to 10. The other part of our domino needed to be 2 to get to 10. Now let's take a look at a few other dominoes here. And I'm going to show you a domino. Now these dominoes do have both sides filled in. But we're going to imagine that one side is not filled in. And we're going to see how many more it would take to get to 10. Now let's imagine that this domino has nothing on this side. So I'm going to cover up that 1. And how many is on this side? Can you supersize that? That's right, that's 5. So how many more do we need to get to 10? How many should be on this side? How many dots to get to 10 if we're going to have 10 total? Remember, total is all of it, right? Okay, so can you tell me how many that would be? If not, we'll count together. All right, so let's go ahead and count together. If we have 5, it's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we needed 5 more. So 5 and 5 is 10. All right, let's do another one. How many is that? That's right. Good supersizing. That's 3. Okay, so if we have 3, how many more would we need to get to 10? Now, I can't count this on one hand, so we'll just count together. Okay, so if we have 3, we would need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we counted 7 more. So 3 and 7 make 10. Good. All right, let's do another one. All right, let's say we have 6 here. This one I can show you with one hand. If we have 6, how many more would we need to get to 10? What would the other part be? Okay, let's go ahead and count together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 and 4 make 10. Let's do a couple more. All right, let's do this one right here. Okay, there's just one. Definitely can't show you on one hand. But let's say, let's ask how many more we need than 1 to get to 10. So we need, well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We would need 9 more. All right. And, or you can think of it this way. 9 and 1 more is 10. All right, boys and girls. So now let's go ahead and take a look at our stepping stones, and we are going to be on page 135. 135 of our stepping stones. And we are identifying 2 parts that total 10, just like we were doing now with the dominoes. And so on this side there is the one part. We need to figure out what the other part is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get, I'll just keep it at red. So how many's here? Can you supersize that? That's right, that's 6. So I'm going to write 6 here, first part. And how many more to get to 10? Okay, 6, we can draw it here. 7, 8, it doesn't matter where you put them, you just put them in this box here. 8, 9, and 10. So we're drawing more dots until we get to 10, until we say 10. So how many more is that? This side has 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. All right. How about this one? Now this one they did a little bit different, okay? They put 10 equals and then the 2 parts, okay? So whether you put it this way or that way, it's still the same thing. So it's saying 6 and 4 is 10, or is the same as 10, and this way is saying 10 is the same as this part and this part, okay? So what's the first part? How many is that? That's right, that's 5, okay? So without counting them, can you tell me how many more you're going to need to get to 10? All right, let's go ahead and put them. Let's see if you're right. 5 we have already. 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more. 10. Kind of messy, but there it is. All right, so how many more did we need? We needed 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 equals 5 plus 5. All right, boys and girls, so go ahead and finish these last 4. Write the first part that it gives you, and then fill in the second part that you'll need to get to 10. All right, boys and girls, thank you for working with me today in math.